Naturalization is the process by which U.S. citizenship is granted to a foreign national after fulfilling certain requirements established by the Immigration and Nationality Act. Today, there are over 20 million naturalized U.S. citizens living in the U.S. and around the world. People often ask, well, how does U.S. citizenship benefit me? And the answer is simple. As a U.S. citizen, you can vote, you can bring family members to the United States, you can obtain citizenship for children born abroad, you can travel with a U.S. passport, become eligible for federal jobs, run for elected office, and even serve on a jury. Okay, that last one might not be as much fun, but it's a civic duty as an American citizen where we all must participate. To see if you qualify for U.S. citizenship, contact an immigration attorney at Redondo Law today.